Hi, welcome to Smart Web Solutions. Are you facing DNS issue on your website? Maybe your domain name is not resolving correctly, or changes you make on your DNS is not resolving or has not taken effect. Well, in this quick guide, I will show you how to reset your DNS setting in the cPanel or to restore the normal functionality on your website. Now, before we get started, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit on the notification bell so that you get to be notified as we upload new videos. First, we need to log into our cPanel account, where you usually access it. You can usually access it by accessing the cPanel using the domain name /cPanel and then followed by your login credentials. Then you navigate to the zone editor. If you're on the cPanel, just like I am on this page, then you can scroll down to the domain segment and locate the zone editor. This is zone editor, so you click on the zone editor. Once you are inside the zone editor, then this zone editor is a tool that allows you to manage and then reset your DNS record for your own domain name. Then click on manage beside the domain name you want to reset the DNS. Click on this manage. Once you click on manage, you will be on the next page where you see all the DNS configuration or the DNS settings that are added on this domain name. And if you have seen a DNS or a record that is not supposed to be among the records you added, or you added it wrongly, or you want to remove that record, you can simply delete the record from this under the action. For that particular record, just click on delete, so the record will be deleted. But make sure that you are deleting the right record. If not, your website is going to have a functionality error. You are going to have an error on the DNS. So of course, if you want to reset the DNS completely, you want to reset the DNS to its default settings, you click on this action. Under the action, you see reset DNS zone. So once you click on reset DNS zone, all details or all configuration that are added, the records, which includes the A record, which point to your domain server IP address, the CNAME, the MX record that are currently set, will be wiped out. So it will reverse back to its original state where you already have it as a default from the point of configuration. So everything will now go back to its normal settings. So you need to access the website after resetting the website, but before you access the website, you need to clear your DNS cache and then test. How do we clear the DNS cache? To see if the changes are faster. Then you clear the DNS cache by using, if you're using Windows, you open the command prompt and then type IP configuration /flush IP or flush DNS, flush DNS. It will clear the DNS cache. For Mac users, if you're using a Mac, and then you need to open the terminal and then type kill all -hup mdns responder. So this will automatically clear the cache on your DNS server for Mac users, and then you try and test the website again. Then before you test the website, you need to wait for the DNS to propagate. The propagation for DNS usually takes a minimum of 5 minutes to, or let me say 2 minutes or 1 minute even, depending on the server and the domain extension, of course. So let's say 1 minute to 24 hours. That's the maximum it takes. Sometimes it takes up to 48 hours depending on the domain extension, like I said. So after waiting for the propagation, then you will be able to access the website. And if your domain name did not propagate on time, you don't need to panic. You just need to give it a little time and then it will come up. And this is it. You have successfully reset your DNS setting in the cPanel. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more website management tips. Thank you for watching and happy hosting. See you some other time.